If you are not receiving an SMS or text message from a particular contact only in your Samsung device, then what you do is, the first thing you have to do is you have to make sure that you have not blocked that contact in your device. So for that one, let me open this phone application. Let me tap on these contacts. Let me tap on these three dotted icons here. Tap on settings here. Go to blocked numbers and make sure that the person from whom you are not receiving text message should not be under this blocked list. Now I have a contact whom I have blocked, so I won't be receiving a call or an SMS from this contact. And if you want to unblock the number, you simply have to tap on this minus icon here and the contact will be unblocked. Now once you see that you have not blocked the contact, then the next step that you will do is you will go to settings here. You will go to this option apps, scroll down, and then you will look for contacts application. Open it, then go to storage, select clear cache, clear data, and then OK. Then go back again, select this option force stop, and then select force stop. Once you have done this one, you can restart your phone, and once you restart the phone, the last step that you can do is you can delete the contact and re-enter the contact again. For example, let me go to this phone application. Suppose if I am not receiving SMS from this contact, I will select it. I will tap on this eye icon here, tap on these three dotted icons here, select delete, and then select delete. Once you have deleted this contact, again re-enter the contact. So do all of these things and hopefully you would be able to receive the SMS from that particular contact again. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.